Hey guys, this video is specially for my lovely CMA students. Wishing you guys a very happy CMA day, and the best of the profession has started and its peak is yet to come. You are in the best of the times of the CMA course, and the upcoming future of CMA is going to be as bright as any other profession in this country. And I am wishing you loads of luck, and without gift, how can CMAD be completed? So today, boys and girls, today I am giving you a special discount of 11% by using CMA 11 code. So the code is CMA 11, applicable only for today. So only 11% discount, that is over and above the existing discount, boys and girls. So whether you are in CMA final level or intermediate or foundation level, you should make maximum use of it. Just go to www.meplclasses.com and use the code CMA 11, and over and above the existing discounts, you are going to get 11% discount by using the code CMA 11. So use the code CMA 11. And one more thing, boys, I would like to reaffirm you that I will always be there with you guys throughout the thick and thin of this course, and whatever best I can do, I will do better than that. So just to reaffirm you that I am always there for you guys, and just the quality education that you guys deserve, you should get. And I always make it a point to strive very hard for you and to motivate you with my hard work. And wish you loads of luck and all the best. And once again, wishing you a very happy CMA day.